the primetime news this evening, roadwork under the Spark program begins. NWA addresses concerns about the collapsed Craig Mill Bridge in Buff Bay, Portland. And millions up in smoke after Constant Spring Arcade fire.
And good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. In business news this week, we talk about what's happening with the Proven Group.
And time now for what's coming up in sports. Jermaine Brown has a preview of Primetime Sports.
Well, thank you, Archibald. Coaching changes in football for at least one local club before the new year. I'll tell you more a bit later on.
Thank you, Jermaine. And there's also weather in this newscast. Romaine Robinson is here with a preview.
Thanks, Andrea. Now, as we start 2025, we are expecting partly cloudy conditions to be covering most of the area. And we also have stronger winds that are forecast to affect most of the north starting on Wednesday.
Thank you. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime and the weather report and forecast in detail later on in the newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what was the best thing that happened to you in 2024?
These answers should be interesting. You can share yours online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News continues right after this break.